Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a drone tour of the Champion Plaza in Falmouth. Now this is the largest plaza in Falmouth and also the #1 plaza. It's located right on Main Street as you enter Falmouth from the highway. Massive plaza. It actually did so well, or it does so well, that they expanded it. To the left they built phase 2 of this plaza. Now, straight ahead, that building you're looking at the top right, that is KFC. So, once you have KFC in a plaza, it's going to do very well. Beside it is Pizza Hut. So, we've always said you need three things for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, build it in a populated area. And Falmouth is the largest town in Trelawney, and it's also the capital of Trelawney. It's home to the #1 cruise ship terminal or cruise ship pier in Jamaica, the Falmouth Cruise Ship Pier. Second thing you need is food stores. And if you have KFC in the plaza, that food store alone will bring in the traffic. This one has quite a few. It has KFC, Pizza Hut, Sakuro, and other restaurants. And the third thing you need is a large brand name supermarket. And this plaza has a Champion supermarket, which is the largest supermarket in Falmouth. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Straight ahead, that building all the way to the building closest to the road. In the plaza, the building closest to the road, that is the supermarket. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.